When a woman like you as a man, it better for you. You spend less money. You see what I say? When a woman like you, she a cut everything short. She not depend about let's come date for all a month and hard. She not depend that she a cut everything short, bad man. You see what I say? And she not pressure you for no money. All the things she want is time and loving and loyalty. That's all she want. She not pressure you, bad man. But when you like a woman and she not like you, I just say it there. Cause you have to go spend your money, you fuck. Cause you have to go cry her out on date, you have to try treat her and try make she build up little feelings for you and them thing there. And sometimes you spend your money and treat her and them thing there, you still not get the crutches. But when a woman like you, it better for you. Cause she gonna cut everything short. Everything I cut short, bad man. So she not gonna want to go on a date. Right? She gonna want to come in your yard, come get a little you meet her today, you go down for meet her tomorrow. If you not ever lie, me I tell, ask God and he will tell you. You see what I say? When a woman like you, it better for you. You spend less money, brother. When a woman like you, she not even want nothing from you. Just time and loving. Yeah.